Hey everyone, welcome back to G2j Key. Today, we're diving into the world of CO2 carbon dioxide sensors. I've got the 7Semi SCD41 sensor right here, and I'm super excited to share it with you. First up, the packaging feels pretty professional. Let's get this opened. Right off the bat, you can see the compact design. This is the beauty of modern technology, getting so much power in such a small form. So, what makes the SCD41 special? For starters, it measures CO2 levels, temperature, and humidity, all in one. For those of you who are new to CO2 sensors, they are vital for monitoring air quality indoors, in greenhouses, and HVAC systems. And with its I2C interface, it's a breeze to connect it to other devices. The measurement range is impressive, from 400 to 5000 ppm with high accuracy. This means for those of you monitoring environments where CO2 levels matter, you're getting precise data. And can we talk about its size? The board is just 20 mm by 20 mm, making it ideal for portable devices. Curious to know, how many of you have ever felt the need to monitor CO2 levels in your space? Share your thoughts below. Beyond its compact size, the SCD41 boasts low power consumption, making it great for projects where conserving energy matters. And did I mention? It's a digital sensor, using the I2C communication protocol. This makes it both reliable and easy to integrate. Now, it's from 7Semi, a brand that we've seen consistently delivering quality. Plus, there's a 14-day replacement warranty in case of any manufacturing defects. It's always good to have that peace of mind. There you have it, folks. The 7Semi SCD41 CO2 sensor, compact, efficient, and reliable. Perfect for those looking for a trustworthy sensor for their next project. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to G2j Key. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.